My name is McHale. I'm actually the Director of Business Development working for Equinix. I've been with the company a very short period of time after a long history in banking. And my job here really is to help Equinix drive a concept of a digital commerce ecosystem. And I'll get into that in just a little bit. So Equinix is traditionally a data center company. So we've got more than 160 data centers located around the world. And when we started almost 20 years ago, traditionally it was really to help the internet build on itself. So to provide a home for all the infrastructure that's necessary to make the internet work. We built on that and allowed facilitation, connection of companies to network providers. We added on, layered to that, the cloud providers. But now what we've realized is that we've actually got something much more special going on. And that's all of the companies that sit within our data centers globally do business with each other. So we're now kind of turning our model on its head and looking at creating interconnection between those companies. It's a great question. So all of the banks today, right, are focused on kind of this mobile wallet, mobile payments, and kind of what we're calling any-to-any. And any-to-any is just simply meaning that you could be here shopping on your laptop, you could be buying something on your mobile phone, or you could go down the streets and purchase something in a store. So what we're doing is helping facilitate the processing of all of those payments by creating interconnection between all of the different providers along the way. So one of the things that we're really focused on at this conference, and thanks for having us, we've been here for a number of years, we do Seamless with you in other parts of the world like Australia and Dubai, we're really reaching out to meet the different mobile wallet providers that are here, the new payment gateways, understanding Braintree and what their business model is so that we can help bring those companies together and make new connections within our data centers. Look, I wish I was a genie in a bottle 5 years ago and predicted that I would be shopping with my mobile phone, right? That my mobile phone would actually be used more to pay for things and shop for things than it would to talk to people. But I think what we're starting to see now is this whole concept of QR codes. So QR codes that were traditionally used to drive you to a website are now being used to capture payments, and we're seeing a lot of that in India. The second thing that I think is a little more far-reaching and probably a little more controversial, though, is the cryptocurrencies. The things like Bitcoin and the distributed ledger blockchain technology. I do think that there is a big play for that. The banks are looking at it, the regulators are looking at that, so that's what I would say is my big future prediction. Yeah, look, we come back year after year because of the people that you attract, right? So the people that come, I think it's 8,000 this year, which is a terrific number. And it's the traffic that comes to our booth to see us. It's also the people that we get to meet through speaking out, through forums like this with you. And just the opportunity to really, again, go meet new players in the business, find out what their stories are, what problems they're trying to solve, and then follow-on discussions that come from these meetings of really how do we facilitate that interconnection. Thank you so much. It's a terrific conference. Thank you.